For many students, their day begins and ends on a school bus. In order to combat the spread of germs, it's important for school transportation vehicles to have a high-touch disinfection program in place, in addition to routine interior surface cleaning procedures. The combination of
Closep 17
disinfectant tablets and the electrostatic delivery of the Victory sprayer is an efficient and cost-effective disinfection program. In this video, we will look at the proper ways to utilize
Closep 17
and the Victory sprayer to quickly disinfect high touch points on a school bus. Begin by preparing the Victory sprayer for use with
Closep 17
tablet. To do this, rotate the tank lock to the unlock position. Pull the pin to release the sprayer tank. Fill the tank with 1 quart or 32 ounces of clean water. Add 1
Closep 17
3.3 gram tablet to the tank. Allow the tablet to completely dissolve for 4 to 5 minutes before using. Reattach and lock the tank to the sprayer. The Victory sprayer is equipped with 3 different spray settings to correspond to the dwell times needed for your disinfectant to work. When using
Closep 17
set the nozzle to the 80 micron setting. Allow for adequate ventilation on the bus by keeping the door open until disinfection is completed. Begin in the front of the bus with the driver's area, spraying all high-touch areas such as handrails, grab bars, gear shift, and door lever. Optimum sprayer distance is about 2 feet away from the target area. The 80 micron setting on the sprayer will provide a 10-minute contact time to ensure all the surfaces are fully disinfected. Continue on the driver's side, moving to the back of the bus, spraying from high to low, making sure to spray windows, seats, and seat backs. After spraying the exit door in the back, move to the other side of the bus and repeat the process, moving towards the front. Finish at the bus door. Spray the door's interior from high to low. Exit the bus. Close the door and spray the door's exterior.
Closep 17
Designed to kill a wide variety of microorganisms, while also being safe enough to spray on most surfaces. After spraying is complete, the bus will be ready for use after 10 to 15 minutes. After using the Victory sprayer, remove the tank and refer to the product label for proper disposal of unused solution. Rinse the tank with water. For preventative maintenance, fill the tank with clean water and spray for 1 to 2 minutes to fully clean the spray nozzle, internal pump, and the supply lines. Do not store the sprayer with leftover solution in the tank. With the combination of
Closep 17
disinfectant tablets and the Victory electrostatic sprayer, fighting germs just got easier.